Please subscribe.
So my battery in my iPhone 8 started to get low on charge, so I decided to change it. Here's the toolkit I got, the battery off of eBay, so it's just a regular generic battery. Watched a YouTube video of changing the battery and it looked pretty easy, like always, and so I decided to start to take out these screws here. I followed their video, and now I have the screws coming out, but you'll see another one won't, and I had to drill that one out. So I was taking this phone apart. It was a Saturday, and it's a work phone, and then so I needed to be back and running for Monday. When I was taking this apart, I was aware that a lot of the generic batteries don't work, and I guess you need an Apple-specific battery, which I couldn't get. So I just went and tried this. Also, you can see here, it breaks the waterproof seal, so you kind of see that gasket material that just kind of stretched away from on the phone. I'm not sure how you would water seal this again, maybe like a caulking or something, but it's not what I did. I just put it back together. And the screws are very tiny. You can see that here, and if you lose them, they're pretty much gone. Hopefully you can find it again. I got the music from YouTube, and I was like, I know that song, and I was thinking about it. It's White Stripes. Yeah, Jack White. The arrow looking stickers you see here are for holding the battery in, so that's what keeps the battery stuck to the case. So I put the new battery in and it didn't work. I tried to start it, nothing, but what it would do is actually call 911. So be careful if you're holding down a couple of buttons, this thing automatically called 911, and I had no way to shut it off. So yeah. Make a long story short, a week later I turned it back on with the same battery, and it actually came up with the Apple screen, and it works now. I have no idea why. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.